Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you few unboxings that I got from Hermes, and I will also show you how I style these. I got these from my local store and also from the website. The SA had to order it from a different store and ship it directly to my house because he didn't have it at store. So let's check it out. I didn't see it in person, but lately I'm obsessed with these. Let me unbox the next one and I'm gonna share with you how they look. Okay. These are from two different stores. My local store didn't have it. My SA told me that there are more designs coming, but I just love these, so I still asked him to order them for me. This is the first one. Let's see which one in here. Okay, wow, it is so pretty. I love this color. It is made in France, 100% silk. This is the second one. Look at how pretty. Wow, it is gorgeous. This is the third one. It's the same one. I got these two for my Birkin because there are two handles. So I love it when they have a different colors on two sides like this. The fourth one. This is the second one for this first one. I got these two the same designs for my pink Birkin. Yeah, the Rose Extreme Birkin. Okay, so this is the last one. Look at this. Wow. What a vibrant color. I love it. Now let me share with you the prices of these. I know the prices increased. I'm not sure if you knew that, but lately I saw a lot of things from Hermes website that increased in price. And not all of them, but most of them. Yes, so the Twilly is now $180 each plus tax. Yeah, it used to be $175, so $5 increased. So even for Rodeos or all silk products, the price are increased. I'm not sure about bags because I didn't get any bags lately. But yeah, for now, whatever I purchased, most of them are increased. Let me try these twillies on my back so you can see how these designs look. I just love the design and the color, the combinations. I just love it. So for now, I just gonna use it for my Birkin in color fauve. I think I can also use this for my Kelly here. In yellow, in lime color. This Kelly is in size 28 and it is in lime color. So I think this one, it is perfect. Yeah, it's just one handle, so I need only one twilly. But this color is beautiful for the summer or spring, right? I can use this side for the fall or for the winter. Wow. Love it. But I actually bought this twilly for this Kelly because it has yellow and blue. So I can actually use this twilly for my blue Kelly and also the lime Kelly. Look at this. It is so pretty, right? either this side or this side. Yeah, if you are dog lovers, then this size would be perfect for you. Look at how cute the dog face is. I can also use for this Kelly because it has blue and yellow, so it is perfect for this Kelly color. If I want to add more color to this already bright color, then I can use this twilly. With this twilly, it has different colors like pink, green, yellow. Yeah, I think it is so pretty for the spring or the summer, right? Let's take a look at my bags right now with the twillies and the rodeos on. Look at this. How perfect. I just love the look of this. What do you think? It is so beautiful, right? I just got this so black rodeo inside PM recently, and I think this twilly in this color, it just makes the bag looks perfect. I just love it. Now let me show you the pink one. This Birkin, it is inside 30 and it is in rose extreme color. So I think these twillies are perfect for it. I didn't see any of these twillies at store. I mean this color, they had different colors, but I wanted this specific color for this Birkin because it doesn't have a lot of pink in it. Just on one side, it goes nicely with this rose extreme Birkin, right? And let me show you how it looks together. I got two because of the Birkin has two handles, but also because of the print. On this side, you can see the Eiffel Tower, and in the back, it's like this. Yeah, but if you put it together, then you can see the park. Let me put it on here so you can see both sides. Now you can see the two twillies. Up here is the Cupid shooting the couples. And down here is the park with the Eiffel Tower here. Now let's check out these boxes, which I got from Hermes website. I didn't want to wait until I go to store because my SA may not have it at store. So why not order directly from the website when I had a chance, right? It is so hard to open. So next one, we're gonna unbox these white boxes. When I order online, it comes like this. Let's take a look inside. Look at this. This is scarf ring in perma brass. Yeah, it has Hermes Paris in the back here. I'm gonna show you how I use this. It is very faint yellow. It's almost like light gold and silver. It can go with any color jewelry. So this is a very nice piece. It's gonna be very versatile. This is called More Scar Ring Perma Brass Sans Plum. And it is $185 plus tax. Next one. So if you watched till this far, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell below to get notified every time I upload a new video, which will be every week. Now let's open this one. Take a look inside. Another little orange box. And of course, it is a scarf ring in a tiny dust bag. Look at this. It is so cute. This is another scarf ring. It has the horse and the carriage in the front, and in the back it has Hermes Paris blank on the side, and it is in perma brass, very faint yellow, light yellow. This scar ring is called Bulldog Scarring Perma Brass, and it is $185. Either in palladium hardware or perma brass, it's the same price. This Bulldog Scarring in palladium hardware is currently available on Hermes website. I got this in perma brass because I think it goes with everything. It goes with yellow jewelry or silver, white gold jewelry. So I think it's more versatile than just silver. And now the last one. It's the same, another orange little box. Let's take a look inside. Another scarf ring. It's the same one. It is Bulldog scarf ring in palladium hardware. It is also $180 plus tax. Let me show you a close look of the two. Here are two Bulldog scarf rings. This one is in palladium hardware and this one is in perma brass. It is very close because this is very light yellow tone. Here is a scarf in size 90 centimeter. I'm gonna try it with this Bulldog scarf ring. This is how the Bulldog scarf ring looks on the scarf. And look at this. I try to showcase the rodeo from this scarf, which I got recently. This scarf ring is good for this type of scarf in size 90 and up, like 90 and 140 centimeter. Smaller size wouldn't fit in here. It's gonna be very loose and this may fall off. I have this Burberry scarf and this one is 110 centimeter. I just want to show you how it would look with this large size scarf ring. Yeah, so it's just up to here. I cannot push it in anymore. Although this scarf ring is big, it can only go up here because this scarf is made with 100% extra fine merino wool, so it is thicker than silk. This scarf ring right here I got a while ago. If you watched my previous video, you saw I unboxed this little tiny lock right here. I'm gonna try to use it so you can see how it is with the twilly. There are different uses for this little scarf ring. I can use it to hold my twilly, or I can use it as a back charm. This is how it would look with the twilly. Because this is in size small, so only twilly fits in here. It comes with a larger size too. The larger size can hold the bigger scarf, like scarf in size 90 centimeter or 140 centimeter. But this tiny one, only for twillies or nano scarf. Now let me try on the bag. With this bag charm or any charm, you can put it in here and hang it onto the handle. Look how cute. It is tiny. This Kelly bag already comes with the lock and the clochette, but this one is tinier. It is just so cute. There's another way to use this little tiny scarring with a twilly. I just pull out two ends a little bit. You can leave it hanging like this, or you can pull it higher. And then tie to the back. This is another way to wear this scarring with the twilly. Yeah, but you have to have a thin or small neck. Otherwise, this twilly doesn't fit. That is how I style my scarrings with my scarf and twillies as a belt, or just simplest way to wear a scarf. If you have any other ways to wear it or any recommendation, please write in the comment box down below. We would love to learn from each other. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Hit the notification bell down below to get notified every time I upload a new video, which will be every week. I'm looking forward to see you back in my next video. And also don't forget to join my Facebook and Instagram so we can be friends and share our interests about luxury and lifestyle. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Bye-bye.